દશેરાની બધાને શુભકામનાઓ, વડીલોને પ્રણામ અને વદામનાથી नाना नाना ने बहु बधु प्रेम। दशहरा की सभी को शुभकामनाएं, बड़ों को प्रणाम और छोटों को बहुत सारा प्यार। दशमीर उपलक्षे सबाइके जानाई आगाम शुभेच्छा, बड़ोदेर प्रणाम और छोटोदेर अनेक अनेक भालोबासा। Hello friends, today's vlog is special for me as you know that I am from Kolkata living in Gujarat. So I have traveled all throughout this section from Durga Puja to Navratri like this way. So for me, Durga Puja and Navratri are equally important to me because throughout my life I have enjoyed Durga Puja and now I am enjoying Navratri. So in today's vlog, I will be sharing that how in this 4 years I have enjoyed Navratri as well in Kolkata, how I used to enjoy Durga Puja and how was my experience of both this occasion. So let's start today's vlog. Hi friends, as you are aware that in this corona times we couldn't go outside for visiting pandals for Navratri as well as for Durga Puja, though my few mischievous friends have went for that. उन लोग ने पैंडल में गए भी, फ्रेंड्स के साथ एंजॉय भी किया और बहुत सारा कुछ किया, बट मैं नहीं गई थी बाहर क्योंकि मुझे लगा था कि एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन के कारण मुझे बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. So, as you know that I am living in Gujarat right now, so for me, more than Durga Puja now is Navratri and it has come to an end. I know that you will be saying that कि दुर्गा पूजा हो गया, नवरात्रि हो गया और ये अभी अपलोड कर रही है. Yes, because I thought that I wanted to give you some quality time with your family to enjoy your festival, be it Durga Puja, be it Navratri. To me, both are same. क्योंकि मेन इज माता दुर्गा, उनका 9 रूप के साथ हम लोग प्रार्थना करते हैं, अलग अलग रंग, अलग अलग रूप उनका जो हम लोग पूजा करते हैं उनका. और मैं एज अ बंगाली, हमारे लिए पूजा 5 दिन की होती है, तो हमारे लिए वो अलग ही रूप होता है, उनकी अलग फॉर्मेशन. पर मेन मोटो है माँ दुर्गा, जो महिषासुर को वध करके अपने मायके आती है अपने बच्चों के साथ. तो इसी को हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं हर साल, राइट. सो मैं जब कोलकाता में रहती थी, उसका माहौल ही कुछ अलग था. पैंडल में जाना, फ्रेंड्स के साथ या कजिन्स के साथ गप्पे लड़ाना और बहुत कुछ. एंड स्पेशली द स्टॉल्स इन द पंडाल्स, द स्टॉल्स, द डेलिकेसीज दैट यूज्ड टू बी देयर, you can't imagine. Egg roll, fuchka, then ghugni and what not. We used to just jump on that and different types of games in it. So not only enjoying the architectural work of the people who used to do the pandals with different types of items. If you visit Kolkata, you should definitely visit during Durga Puja because there you can see the artwork of people like huge. This time also they have done, but as friends I have told you that we should not go out. We can see it through our television as well, but few of our friends have gone there, enjoyed with friends. Yes, I know that we can't resist ourselves, but we should. Same with Navratri. Here also I have seen that people went out and all were enjoying, dancing like that way. It's good. I also enjoyed when I came to Gujarat at during 2017. Yes, so that was my first Navratri and I decked up like anything. Okay, you can see the image there that how I was dressed up like a Gujarati, pure Gujarati one, and dance like a mad people. And I tried to copy them, but unfortunately I could not do so much of dance like that for my still now 4 years almost. It's like to be completing in 2021 Jan, but still I cannot do the dance form. Sorry, friends. I can do little steps, but not that much. But we enjoyed in our own way with my few friends. I have enjoyed, and after that I didn't attempt. The first year only I attempted, and then I gave up because for me dancing is like happiness in my life, but I couldn't perform, so I didn't go for so much. But I will definitely try someday to perform like that way. And over it for Durga Puja, this time was a very restriction wise because High Court also instructed that we cannot go there and all because too much crowd was there. And this time I was literally shocked for that because people were crazy like anything. They did shopping, they did visit pandals 3 days before Durga Puja. Then lots of other things were happening. So I couldn't understand that really Corona is there or gone. I couldn't understand really. Let me tell you frankly, because people were shopping, then having food, then going for pandals and lots of crowds. So I couldn't really understand कि सच में कोरोना है really. So those who went out, I'm really upset with them because it's not a personal attack to them. I know that Durga Puja for a Bengali person is very important. Still, we should take protection. We have Diwali in a few days, so I hope that you friends will be not doing the same that way you have done for Durga Puja, and hope you will be following the all the rules and regulations that has been given for the guidelines. And in this vlog, I would like to tell you that in my next vlogs, not immediately after this week, in around Diwali, I will be bringing some new vlogs in my channel. So I would like my friends, you all join together and enjoy with me the new things that I will be sharing with you people. In this vlog only I'm sharing that because I'm very happy that in this festive mood, and I don't want this festive mood to go out from us. So in advance I'm telling you people that I will be bringing something new in my channel, and those who are new in my channel and not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, like my video if you like it, comment down below if you like to, and share with your friends who could relate with me, who are experiencing such situations, who are out of their house and they are not able to have that essence. I'm to having not enjoying Durga Puja from past 3-4 years now. So I think so you will be relating to me, and thank you for watching my vlog. Bye bye for now and meet you in my next vlog.